Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan jerky. We'll dive into creating a savory, chewy snack that's entirely plant-based. You'll learn about selecting the best ingredients to achieve that authentic jerky texture and flavor. I'll guide you through the simple preparation steps, from mixing your marinade to the final dehydration process. Get ready to craft a delicious and satisfying treat that's perfect for on-the-go snacking or a protein boost. The foundation of great vegan jerky often starts with vital wheat gluten, which provides a fantastic chewy texture, or hearty vegetables like mushrooms or eggplant. For flavor, a robust marinade is key, typically featuring soy sauce, a few drops of liquid smoke for that smoky essence, and a blend of spices such as paprika and garlic powder. Don't forget nutritional yeast for an umami kick, and a touch of maple syrup to balance the savory notes perfectly. First, prepare your base ingredient by slicing it very thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. This ensures even drying and a consistent texture. Next, whisk together all your marinade ingredients in a bowl until thoroughly combined. Submerge your thinly sliced base into this flavorful mixture, making sure every piece is well coated. Allow it to marinate for at least 2 hours, or for an even deeper flavor, let it soak overnight in the refrigerator. Once marinated, arrange the pieces in a single layer on your dehydrator trays, ensuring no overlap for optimal airflow. Dehydrate them at a low temperature, around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 8 hours, or until they reach your desired chewiness. If using an oven, bake at its lowest setting with the door slightly ajar. Once cooled, store your homemade vegan jerky in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or freeze for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.